Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin.
In this video, we'll work on exercise number 49. To start off, we'll first go to File, New, and open a new part template. And we have it open. And as I've got previous requests from my subscribers that I need to make sure that in every video I have to open the work drawing and show it in full screen, so I'm doing that. Okay. I used to do that before, but sometime in between I just started losing that point. Okay, so to start off, let's first go to Sketch and select the Sketch tool, and we need to first select which plane we would like to start the sketch with. So in this case, I would prefer to start the sketch with the right plane. Now we have the right plane open. Let's go to the Line tool and just start creating the line. So we'll basically create the shape here, and I'll just select 3 of these lines here. Okay, before selecting that, we'll go for center line and create a center line here, and then select 1, 2, 3 by control selecting it, and go for mirror entities and select the mirror about as this line here, and go for the tick mark, and that is confirmed. Go for the line once again and just connect this line, and again select the line again and connect this. Now we have these the shape, the basic shape here. Let's start dimensioning this. So to dimension this line is of 58, and overall of this is 80, and this height would be 55. What else? This is 32. We have everything almost constrained, except the fact that we'll select this point and this line here, and we'll go for a midpoint. Yep, tick mark. As we analyze the sketch is fully constrained. Exit the sketch now, and then we can go for features, extrude boss and base, and the overall thickness here is 50, so we'll go for 25 each on both sides. That'll be 25 and 25 on both sides here, and go for the tick mark, and we have that confirmed as well. Alright, now we have the basic shape, right? Now we'll create this portion here. So to do that, again go for the sketch, go for the sketch tool and select the right plane as a sketching plane. Zoom out a little bit and use the line tool here and just draw the basic shape here. Alright, that's good. We'll just draw something like this. I just try to close this loop here, right? This time, instead of mirroring the sketch, I would prefer to mirror the feature. So let me complete this sketch here. So to do that, this is 13, and this would be how much? The overall height is 65, so we can mention that. 65. and this is 20. What else? We have this overall length as 116, so we're doing a half of it, right? So we'll just mention 116 divided by 2. Good. Okay. Now what we have is from here to here it's 85, so from here to here it will be 85 by 2. Now we have the sketch fully constrained. Exit the sketch now, and then we can go for features, extrude boss and base. Extrude boss and base, we can just rotate it a little bit, come out, zoom out a little bit, and we can see that the total thickness is 20, so we'll just go for 10 each on both sides. That would be 10 each on both sides, right? Good. Now just click on the tick mark and we have that confirmed. Now select that boss extrude. Oops, yeah, it's selected. I can go for mirror and select the mirroring plane as I think it's a front plane. Yeah, front plane, tick mark. Now we have that feature created on the other side. Now all that's remaining is this portion right here. So to do that, I would maybe prefer to start the sketch from this face. So I'll just click on that and do that. I'll just go for a circle and just create a circle, keeping the center on this, which is not pretty definite that the center is lying here or not. But anyways, we'll just start the sketch like this, and later if we have to change it, we can change it. Trim entities, and we can trim it. Okay, so here I have to extend it a little bit. Trim. Yeah. Now let's define the radius of the circle. So that's radius 20. So radius 20 over there. And what else? Yeah, that's it. So as we cannot see, or as we can see that the radius is 20 and it's pretty much like the center is lying here, we'll just exit the sketch here and come for features, extrude boss and base. We'll give 20, that's 20 on the other side. Good, 20, yeah. Now I'll click on the tick mark and we have that feature confirmed. Again, come over here on this plane and click on the sketch. And this time we can just simply select this line here and this line and go for convert entities. Yeah, good. Now we have this portion, right? This portion. So we'll just simply do a line here, right? And we'll just use a smart dimension and dimension this, and that would be 8, because here it's 16, so that would be 8, and this height is 10, right? So we'll just simply draw a line here and trim off all the remaining portions. Right, now as we can see it from the drawing that this is 10, so I'll just simply mention 10 here. Good. Now we have it fully constrained. Again, exit the sketch and go for extrude boss and base, and you can extrude it till here, right? So this is 20 and this is 50, so that would be 30, so you can give it as 30. Double enter will confirm that. Now we can simply select, it's already selected, so if you don't want, you can just click outside and select it once more, and then you can go for mirror and mirror it with respect to the front plane. Good. Now you can click on the tick mark and we have that confirmed as well. So that's about this exercise. This was pretty simple and I hope you enjoyed. If you have any doubt, you can always comment below the video, and I just urge my subscribers to follow the video. And some of the people were saying that this really helps for them to practice. So thank you so much. Subscribe, share, and also stay tuned.